Today on Marius Makes crispy coconut curry fried chicken. You will find the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Start by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, I have 800 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I cut into smaller pieces. You can also use chicken breast. Add salt to taste, a generous amount of cracked black pepper, a heaped tablespoon of spicy curry powder, the zest and juice of 1 lime, a big piece of ginger finely grated, three large garlic cloves finely grated, and 200 grams of coconut yogurt. Mix it well. This is the size of the chicken I went for. You can cut the chicken thighs smaller or you can leave them whole, but make sure to adjust the cooking temperature and time accordingly. Cover the bowl and set it aside to marinate for at least 4 hours in the fridge or 1 hour at room temperature on the kitchen counter. To make the dredge, we need 100 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 300 grams of gluten-free flour, which is a mix of rice flour, cornstarch, potato starch, which will guarantee a crispy chicken after frying. Season the flour with salt, black pepper, and curry powder. Mix well. If you like it spicier, you can add chili powder as well. Add the marinated chicken with all the marinade into the dredge and mix well. Make sure there are no wet patches visible and the chicken thighs are well coated. Take the coated chicken out piece by piece and rest it on a tray or a plate. All chicken is dredged, so it's time to fry. Place some pieces of chicken into hot frying oil. I preheated the oil at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. Do not overcrowd the pan. Move the chicken pieces around so they don't stick together. Turn the chicken once in a while so it fries uniformly. Fry until golden all over, crispy and cooked through. Look how deliciously golden and crispy this chicken looks. And you have to trust me when I say it's quite delicious. Continue frying the chicken in batches until you finish frying it all. Sprinkle at the end some salt over the hot chicken and garnish it with some freshly chopped green onion. I like dipping this chicken in some spicy curry ketchup, but any of your favorite dipping sauces will do. And there you have it, my crispy coconut fried chicken. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget, you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. As always, thanks for watching and until next time, keep on cooking!